Welcome back to Top Garage, your ultimate destination for everything on four wheels. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Tata Punch Prime S, Tata Motors' latest upgrade to one of its most popular compact SUVs. The Punch has already made a name for itself in the micro SUV segment, and with the new Prime S variant, Tata aims to raise the bar even higher. Let's find out what makes this version stand out. Design and exterior upgrades. The 2026 Tata Punch Prime S brings a refined design language while maintaining its bold stance. The front fascia now features sleeker LED DRLs, a redesigned grille with piano black accents, and a sportier bumper. Tata has introduced new dual-tone color options and stylish 16-inch alloy wheels exclusive to the Prime S variant. The overall body cladding remains rugged, giving it a strong road presence. Roof rails and a contrast roof finish complete the urban SUV appeal. Interior and features. Step inside, and the Punch Prime S greets you with a more premium and tech-oriented cabin. The new soft-touch dashboard elements, leatherette upholstery, and ambient lighting elevate the interior feel. The centerpiece is the updated 10.25-inch infotainment touchscreen with Tata's new Connect Next OS, supporting wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You also get a 7-inch digital instrument cluster, automatic climate control, and a wireless charging pad. Tata has even added a sunroof for the first time in the Punch lineup, making this model feel more upmarket. Performance and handling. Under the hood, the 2026 Punch Prime S retains the familiar 1.2-liter Revitron petrol engine but with improved tuning for better refinement and efficiency. It produces around 90 horsepower of power and 115 Nm of torque, paired with either a 5-speed manual or an AMT gearbox. The driving dynamics remain city-friendly, with responsive steering and decent ground clearance, making it ideal for both urban roads and weekend getaways. Tata has also improved cabin insulation, resulting in a quieter drive. Safety and tech enhancements. Tata continues to focus heavily on safety. The Punch Prime S is now equipped with 6 airbags, a 360-degree camera, electronic stability control, ESC, hill hold assist, and ISOFIX mounts. It also retains the 5-star global NCAP rating from its earlier models. Advanced driver assistance features like rear cross-traffic alert and lane departure warning make an appearance as well, adding to the peace of mind. Final verdict. With the 2026 Punch Prime S, Tata has successfully taken a proven formula and enhanced it with premium features, better tech, and improved safety. For urban buyers looking for a compact SUV with character, style, and modern equipment, the Punch Prime S is a strong contender. Stay tuned to Top Garage for more updates, reviews, and test drives. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.